getting cloudy out. I think I should play some Geometry Dash. 2 minutes later. Dang it, I almost beat level 3. I don't know what to do. Oh no. What was up with that lightning? Thunder. Oh, someone's calling me. Boop. Hello? Hello? Oh, hey, it's getting cloudy where I am. How you doing? Oh, it's really sunny out over here. It's crazy sunny out over here, in fact. Oh, really? Wow. I see no clouds in sight. It's so sunny out. Oh, really? Okay. I'm gonna hang up. Alright. Alright, see ya. Bye. Bye. 10 minutes later. Oh shoot! Something happening. I need to call sheep. Hello? I'm scared, dude, can you please help me? I can't, I'm doing something right now. Okay, I'll call you back in a little bit. Okay, boop. Okay, I'm scared. Uh-oh, oh shoot, shoot. Okay, that's it, I gotta call him. Hello? Hey, what's up? I'm scared there's something happening. The siren's going off at my place. Oh, really? I don't hear any sirens near my place. Shoot. What? The siren's going off at my place. Oh, shoot. I think I better hang up then. Okay, see ya. Bye. What do I do? Oh, Enderman! I need Enderman. Shoot, I'm gonna... Oh, there's Enderman. Wake up, Enderman! Okay. What? The siren's going off. Do you hear that? No, I don't hear him. Listen closely! Oh, yeah, I do. Okay, oh, shoot. Oh, no. Okay, we gotta hide. Oh, shoot. Something happening. No, hide. Tornado. I repeat, there's a tornado. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. 3 minutes later. Oh, shoot. It's shaking. Wait. Did the funnel just stop? Ooh. All I see is debris everywhere. I think I should check up on sheep. Oh, hello? I'm worried because I see something happen. And for some reason I couldn't hear sirens for a little bit. Oh, shoot. Enderman, we need to go in. I see a tornado. Oh, that is huge. Oh, my gosh. Get in. Okay, bye. Oh, shoot. Get in. Why is it still sunny out? I don't know. This is insane. Wow. I don't know what to do. Oh, gosh. Shoot, I'm scared. The sound should chill down by now. Shoot. They stopped. I'll have to see you again sometime. Alright, see ya. Bye. Oh gosh, I think I should go check up on Spidey. Oh gosh, look at that huge amount of debris. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, are you okay, Spidey? Yes, I'm okay. I was just checking on you. Alright, okay. Well, I'll see you tomorrow if anything is happening. Yeah, I was thinking about setting up a barbecue. Whew. Okay. See ya. Bye. Whew. Jeez. Wait. What is this seam? And what is this giant vacuum? What even is that? Oh yeah, a vacuum. What is happening? Oh, there's light. Ooh. It's pretty dirty in here. Wait. Same as downstairs. And why is there staples in here? Okay, I gotta quit. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. Oof.